Okay, so what we've got is the lid to the LACK enclosure. What you see is this is going to be a HEPA filter. The fan will be mounted on the outside. We've got a variable speed for the fan itself. I've got a laptop power supply that's going to plug in on the outside. It feeds a couple of Wagyu I'm using for power distribution. And then we've got the LED controller over here. So what I wanted to do is I didn't want to have my fan running all the time for this. So what I did is I installed this this temperature controlled 12 volt switch. Right now I've got it set for 33 degrees, I believe. Sorry for the noise. Then we can also bump the speed up if we need to. And then see if we can't cool this off a little faster. This way I can keep power going to the cabinet via the 12 volt supply. We just hit 33 degrees and we powered off the fan.